Welcome to this NMP flight video tutorial. This tutorial will look at the route catalogue. The route catalogue is an NM database that is filled with flight plan routes of flight plans that have been filed over the last year. There are two options. The first is to use the main route catalogue via the menu item, which opens a new tab where you input the ADEP and ADES. In this case, I'm looking for Heathrow to Lisbon. And the results are shown in a list with an action to copy the field 15 route. The second option is within a flight itself. If you open the flight management for a flight, within flight management, next to the Propose Routes button, there is an option to show the full route catalogue. I select that, and when I execute the search for route proposals, which will take a few seconds, the results will be shown with the normal route proposals, but also underneath the route proposals are the route catalogue results for the city pair of your flight plan. Again, with an option to copy the field 15 as an action. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.